Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, October 25th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY IWMN Triple Qs. And right now, we're all inside of balance, inside of value from Fridays. The market seems to be taking a breather. Remember, for SPY and ES, we are in balance. Right? We had an opportunity for an outside day down, outside day up. We end with a 3-day balance, so balance rules will firmly be in effect for this morning. Which just quickly, we get to the top of a balance, we fail, roll over, back down. We slightly extend it, fail, roll over, go back down, or go through it and don't look back. Now, if we do that to the upside, we're talking about a market that there's nothing above them. There's no supply. This market will have to start searching for levels they want to get to. To the downside, a little differently. If we take out Friday's low, obviously, Wednesday's low is the big destination. That's the bottom of our 3-day balance. I would be hard to imagine we don't finally fill that gap from the 20th, although we didn't do it on Friday, and then get down to the 9 wide. Remember, there's 4 gaps. It would be healthy to take back at least one, most likely 2 of them to get some sort of balance, and then make an attempt to go even higher. If we keep doing this grind at the highs and stretching a little bit and failing, at some point we'll come down pretty vicious and wipe out all 4 of those gaps, probably within a day or two's time. So as far as destinations this morning, right now, just give you the upside. Overnight is 454.12 right now. The overnight low is 452.30. As far as plays, I mean, the volume is very light this morning. We're only at 250,000 shares. Like I said, the higher we go, the less the volume has been recently. I don't see a play here. You could use K as your afternoon rally high. So again, it's kind of close to the overnight high, depending whether it's now or at 9:30. If we're right below that, you can take a short against it. I would be out above it because remember, our all-time high is a poor high. It's also a weekly high though. So we've had trouble SPY and ES like just ripping through daily highs and weekly highs. So that could be maybe a speed bump. So the overnight high and or the weekly high. So possibly a put play against K's high. As far as a call, again, if we are to push down, not much here. I mean, odds are we get our 9 wide. I didn't use... Well, I used both of these as just reference points. So just like I use K's high, again, can you use I's low? You can. You'd still be in balance. Any acceptance below I's low, though, I'd get out because then all of a sudden value would go from unchanged to overlap and to lower. And again, those would just be small plays early to see if the market stops at those visual levels. Any break above the 3-day balance with tempo and volume, you'd go with it, whether it's a long and or a short, if you break down, right? See if they have single prints, and then you would go that way with the break. If the break fails, you better get out of that trade because then, again, the other end of the balance is the ultimate destination. And then just real quickly on the chart, 5 days to go in the month. Do we have an outside month up? That'll be interesting come Friday's close. If we do, it'll be very positive going into November. We have, plus don't forget, the Fed meets a week from Wednesday, so thank goodness no Fed talk this for the next 7 days. We'll get enough of it starting next Wednesday again. And then the weekly is clearly up, one-time framing up, and the daily is in a 3-day balance. Good luck trading today. Have a great day. Thank you for the likes and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.